Guys, let's have dinner. I'm eating chapati with stew. I like this my East African people food though. You see, chapati. Very simple. And here we are just cooking our food. Bring cow head, bring goat meat, bring chicken, bring this, bring that, bring that. You cook and cook and cook and cook. I'm very capital intensive. Just look at. Easy to make. Just carry flour, mix, then fry it. You understand? And it's very delicious. So no wonder these people every time, Mama, you have chapati. Mama, you have chapati. Their food doesn't cost much like that, and it's very sweet. Look at, you can eat it with stew. I also have plantain here. They will just order chapati. Today I made how many pieces of chapati? With tomato stew. They don't like pepper. No spicy, no chili. Just if you want to put chili, little. You don't put much. You understand? You just fry plantain. They love plantain. They like just fry plantain like this. Then this is stew. And dinner is served. Just legodi. See. And every time we'll be suffering eating swallow. Give me suji. Give me extra suji. Put enough soup. Pack meat. But they eat meat like person who never see meat before. Now this one they eat now. You see? So delicious. Really yummy. I'm enjoying it a bit. So guys, if you're looking for somewhere to buy delicious African food, chapati, Uganda, Tanzania, Kenya, I'm selling it in my restaurant, African Delight Delicacy. You can contact us, okay? We serve a very delicious chapati. We can move to you anywhere you are in KL, even outside KL. We do delivery. Pilau, matoke, name it. Fried plantain. Just call us and we deliver to you. We made that special meal for you. It's very yummy. Since yesterday, since I introduced this recipe in my kitchen, I never rest. Now chapati now. Let's say gradually I go leave Nigerian food. I go switch over, leave Nigerian food. On the way they stress me every time with plenty meat and extra swallow. Every day I end up buying meat. I go say, I don't go see capital, I don't go see gain. See, this one doesn't cost much. And it's very profitable. It's not capital intensive. Just go buy flour. Flour 2 ringgit, 1 pack, and they don't give you how many chapati. You go make times 2 profit. Times 2 profit on it. I call they disturb my life since. Where they pack meat, they pack suji, they give you now. And I go here at this time around for my hand. So yummy. With plantain. That's how you eat it. But mind you, if you're watching your weight, it's still okay. All of them not be the same starch. Suji, pando, gare rice. It's the same thing. It's the same. See how I'm eating like a thief. This is the combo. You buy plantain, you eat chapati with stew. Just one like this, yeah, okay. recipe alert. It's almost like pancake, but the difference is that you don't put milk. Yeah, no milk. You only add sugar, oil, and a pinch of salt. It's nice.